So hi guys, welcome to another video of Tech Studio. For more videos related to technology, please stay connected with us. Today's video is all about ESP8266 module, which is commonly known as NodeMCU. This is a Wi-Fi controlled card that I make by using NodeMCU. Here I will show you the complete procedure of making a Wi-Fi card, including the circuit connection and the complete coding. So take a quick look to the components and let's see how to make this. First of all, take these 4 gear DC motors and solder the wires in the motor. Once you done this, take a wooden board and fix the DC motors at the 4 ends of the wooden board. Now take the wheels and connect them with the DC motors. Now you have to make the circuit as per the circuit diagram shown on the screen. Take the L298N motor driver and fix it in the car. Connect the DC motors with the motor driver one by one. Once you connected all the motors, take the NodeMCU and fix it in the car. After this, connect all the pins of motor driver with the pins of NodeMCU. Do the connection as I instructed in the screen. Also give a 5V supply to the NodeMCU. Now you have to connect the batteries in the car. Here I use 2 lithium-ion batteries to give the supply to the motor driver. Finally connect the NodeMCU with your computer and follow the steps what I do. Go to your Arduino IDE software and open the following code. Now go to the files and then go to preference. A new window will come in front of you. Here you have to write down the following link and then you have to click here. Now click on OK. Again click on OK. Now go to the tools and then go to the board manager. Here you have to write down ESP8266. Now you can see the option of install. Just click on install and wait for a few minutes. Once it is installed, click on close. Again go to the tools and select the correct board type. Now select the port. After everything is done, upload the code to the NodeMCU. Take your smartphone and then open the Wi-Fi. Here you have to select the name of Wi-Fi. Now go back and open this application. From here you can easily give the commands to run your car.